Class versus instance or object. So a class is the template. It has the essentially definitions for all kinds of methods, different methods, and for field declarations. The fields are the data, and then the methods are actions on the data. And so, for example, classes include string, random scanner, ArrayList, integer. Take random, for example. So it's a class that maintains information about random numbers, and each time it generates a new one, essentially based off a seed. And so there's some data it keeps track of to generate pseudo-random numbers. It's not truly random. And so there's a collection of methods, so you can just have your instance of random and keep calling the methods like nextInt and get different integers. You can have a different random number generator, another instance of the random class, and call its nextInt methods, and it'll be different. And so same thing with ArrayList. It's instead of just having one list, you can create a new instance of ArrayList for double values, a different instance of ArrayList for a different list of double values, or integer values, or character values, or strings. And so you can instantiate these different things. So ArrayList has all the methods and manages the data to keep track of a list. And you can make instances of that ArrayList for different lists you might need. Similarly for strings. So the string class has methods for working with any string. You create an instance of a string with specific characters, and then those methods operate on those specific characters in the instance. The instance methods do. Okay? Creating an instance or object. In this course, basically every time you see the new operator, it's calling the constructor. And so it allocates memory for a new instance of whatever it is, a string, ArrayList, a scanner. It allocates enough memory for what we'll find out are the instance variables. And then it calls the constructor to do any initialization, and the result is a reference to the instance. So we just use the new operator to create that.